Hello students, welcome to IELTS class of Crown Immigration. Today we'll be discussing about task 1 of a writing module. Task 1 is really very important because it helps you to score above average score, more than 6.5. If you are targeting 7 over 6, then you have to be very careful about writing task 1. It should be a formal writing report with 150 words. So today I'll be telling you about how to improve the report of task 1. In task 1, overview is the most important part. So I'll be giving you an example. You can see on the screen, it is a line graph. First of all, as you all know, we'll be paraphrasing the given statement. It is about the line graph compares the football matches attendance you can paraphrase by writing 3 different names of the countries: Italy, England, Germany, since 1980 till 2004. Okay, now when we have to see the overview, you should always discuss general trends of the picture. So in this case, there is period from 1980 to 2004. So we'll be looking the data for 1980 and 2004 because always remember we have to look for the overall change, the change between 1980 and 2004. So we have to see the data, either the data has increased or decreased. So first I'll be telling you about the data for Italy. In 1980, it is 35,000, the football matches attendance, and in 2004, it dropped to exactly 25,000. So there is a sharp drop in the football matches attendance in Italy. And for rest of the 2 countries, in England and Germany, the number of football spectators has increased. So this is how you can look for the general trend of the picture. When you are thinking about writing overview, we have to look for always general trends. So don't worry about the data for 1986, 1992 and 1998. Just see the first year and the last year, and you can make a good sentence for that, and this will be considered as a general trend of the picture. And second, you can write like by the end of the 2004, England has a maximum football matches attendance. So in this way we can phrase these 2 sentences like the viewers of football matches in Italy dropped significantly or dramatically or decreased dramatically, whereas in England and Germany the number of spectators has increased with the same rate. You can phrase the same sentence. I was telling you the number of football spectators in Italy decreased dramatically over the period, whereas in England and Germany the number of football matches attendance increased with the same rate, because the rate of decrease and increase is almost same. So you don't need to repeat the adverb here. Be very careful here. And next trend you can write by phrasing the sentence like additionally, after full stop, additionally, England witnessed the highest number of football matches attendance by the end of 2004 or by the end of given time period. So this is how you can make 2 sentences in overview by describing the general trends and make it very clear. You can write 2 to 4 general trends. So here we have written 3 trends. You can even talk about here the lowest matches attendance, but it's not important. You have even if you have phrased 2 sentences, then you will definitely get good bands for grammar and obviously for the coherence, and it will add more clarity to the report. Thank you. Keep practicing.